So, first things first, we want to make sure that we've got plenty of space to the side of us. So if everybody can just reach your arms out for me. Make sure that you've got a little bit of room to move from side to side, because we're going to be doing some side movements and we're going to be doing some forward and back movements. Are we all okay with that, yeah? Right, so let's just get straight into it. This is a boxercise class and we've come here to learn how to box today, yeah? So, first thing we need to do is set our stance. So, whatever hand you write with, can you put that hand in the air for me? Lovely. Now I want you to use that same hand, take that leg and step it behind. Yeah? So when I say to you today, set your fighting stance, this is the position I want you to come into, yeah? Good. Now, it's no good doing a boxercise class if we're going to keep our hands by our sides, is it? So we need to set up our protection as well. So let's make our fists. Everybody show me your hands. Good. Now what I want you to do is close all your fingers. So if I come a bit closer, look, so you can see. Yeah, so there's your hands. Close all your fingers down. And then I want you to take your thumbs and put them over the top of your fingers. So not on top of your knuckles, directly in front of your fingers there, yeah? Good. Now, bring them to your chin. When I say fighting stance today, this is where you're going to bring them, yeah? So we want to protect our chin, and we want to keep our elbows squeezed in nice and tight to our bodies, so that we're protecting our ribs as well, okay? So let's have a little practice of that to start. So if I shout to you, fighting stance, were they ready, yeah? Good. Right, shake it off, everybody. Let me just check that you're listening one more time. Ready? Fighting stance. Good job. Well done. There was some sharp moves there then. People get into their stances really quick. Fighting stance. You've got to be ready for it, because we got to think fast in boxercise, everyone. Okay, so I know all you boys and girls, you do PE every week, so I'm going to assume that you already know that one really important thing that you need to do before we take part in any exercise, and that is warm our muscles up and stretch them out, yeah? So everybody take your feet wider than your hips, bring your arms wide, and I just want you to go sway from side to side, twisting through your spine, yeah? Good, that's it, keep it going. Now, take a big breath in, facing the front. Big breath in, arms reach up. And then we're going to bring them wide and down slowly. So we open up through our chest. We open up all the shoulders by here in our muscles. And then once they come down, I want you to take hold of your hands behind and pull. Good. Keep holding it there for a couple more seconds and shake it off. Well done. So we don't only want to warm up our upper body, do we? We want to warm up our legs as well. So taking this leg, take a nice long step back, and I want you to push your heel down to the floor. So that's going to stretch all the way up our calves. Lovely. Step it in. Now how good is your balance? Take one arm out for me, and then bring the other leg up, and I want you to pull your heel in towards your bottom. So from the side, you can see it here. So this is our quad stretch, and it's warming all the fronts of our legs, yeah? Good. Now, take that foot down. We're going to do the other side. So take that leg back. Push your heel down to the floor. So we're starting by warming up our calves. And lift your chest. Nice tall spine. Good. Now step it in. Take the other hand out. And pick the other leg up and pull that heel into your bottom. Well done. Shake it off, everybody. Right, now let's just double check. Fighting stance. Oh, were we already then? I don't know if we were. Let's try again. Shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. Keep shaking, keep shaking. Fighting stance. Good. Now sometimes, instead of saying fighting stance, I might say guards up. And you're going to bring them there. And then sometimes I might change it and I'll say flat hands. And if I say flat hands, this is what I want you to do, okay? So, guards up. Flat hands. Guards up. Flat hands. Excellent. Right, shake it off. Fighting stance. Who was ready for that one then? Okay, so in order to get us even more warm, I think we should start by playing a game. And today's game seems as we've got the lovely Lomu the lion, then I think we should play a game called Lomu the lion. So who is familiar with the game Simon Says? Put your hands in the air if you know the game Simon Says. Hands up. Who knows it? Yeah? But today it's going to be called Lomu Says instead. So, hang on a minute. What's going on back here? Oh, are you going to join in for this one then, Lomu? Boys and girls, do you think we should let Lomu join in for this game? Yeah? Everybody agree with that? Right, great stuff. Okay, so that's what we're going to do then. So, everybody assume Lomu says fighting stance. Lomu says switch your stance. So when we say switch stance, we're going to go straight from one and then we're going to just jump our other leg in front, and that's going to be our switch stance, yeah? What if I was to say, Lomu says, flat hands, guards up. Oh, who did the guards up? I didn't say Lomu says. Let's try again. So, flat hands, Lomu says, guards up. Lomu says, flat hands. Now we've got to go down in true lion style. Lomu says, roar, roar. And I want to hear all of you do your roar as loud as you... Oh, have you got a new one, Lomu? Oh, okay. So everybody, Lomu has a new move that he wants to show us in this game. Now, I don't know this move, but we're going to give it a go. So, what was it again, Lomu? Okay, yeah. Right, so Lomu says, lazy lion. Lomu? Lomu? Are you snoring? Are you snoring? You can't fall asleep in the middle of a warm-up, you silly sausage. You are such a lazy lion. Come on, we've got to finish this warm-up with all these children. So, everybody, Lomu says, fighting stance. Lomu says, switch stance. Lomu says, guards up. Ha. Lomu says, flat hands. Roar! Ah, who got caught out? I didn't say Lomu says. And even Lomu did the roar. Silly lion. Right, okay. I tell you what, we'll have a little go at your new one. Ready? Where were we? Lomu says, lazy lion. Are we snoring? Right, come on up everybody. Well done. So, shake yourselves off. Shall we give a big thank you to Lomu? We'll see see you later, Lomo, okay? Well done. Okay, everybody. So now that we're all nice and warm, we're going to take it into our main boxercise section. So now we're really going to start moving and using all our side-to-side movements and all our forward and back movements, okay? So, set your stance for me. Fighting stance. Show me your guards. Well done. Okay, so with any boxercise class or any boxing match, we've got to learn to do our side shuffles. So, with the leg that's behind, that's the leg that's going to lead, okay? So we're going to go this way first, and you're going to take 2 steps over. Step together, stop. Well done. Now we've got to take it back. Step together, step together. Well done, everybody. Let's do that again. So over this way, step together, and now back the other way. Step together. So we're going to do that again, but we're going to try and go a little bit faster. Do you think we can all do that? Give me a thumbs up. Right, ready? Here we go. Step together, step together. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now this way, 4, 2. Step together. A little bit faster. Step together, and we go back. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Faster. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Try and stay soft in your knees so we get a little bit of a bounce. Not like this. Yeah? We're just starting slow. So everybody come back to where you started. Shake it off. We're going to try that again. Fighting stance. Were we ready? This way. Let's go. Step together. Keep it going. Now I'm going to start to change it up. You ready? 2 more. I'm going to bring it forward. Walk to me. Step together, now back. Step together, forward and back. Again, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and keep it moving. Forward and back and stop. Right, shake it off, everyone. Shall we put some music on to do that too? Yes? Thumbs up? Right, let me put some music on for us then. We're going to do that to the beat. Here we go, keep it moving. March it up. Okay, everybody, fighting stance. Get ready to go. Over 4, 2, we go. 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Get your body moving. So keep it light in the legs. That's it. I'm all 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Where's your guards, everybody? Bring it to the front. Go. 1 and 2, and back and 2. Forward and back. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Let's go to the side. Side and side. Again. What's it saying? Get your body moving. Bring it to me. Forward and back. One more. Shake it off. Let's reset. Everybody, fighting stance. Remember, fists to your jaw, elbows in. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Get your body moving. Get your body moving. And done. Well done, everyone. Okay, so let's be honest. We came here to do some punching today, didn't we? Who's ready to start throwing some punches? Give me a thumbs up. Excellent. Okay, so in Boxercise, there's lots of different types of punches that we can create. But first things first, you need to set your fighting stance. Show me. Now I'm going to come a little bit closer so that you can all see where my hands and my arms are going to go. Okay? So our first combination in boxing is called our 1-2. And this is going to be your jab cross. So starting with the same arm as your back leg. That is going to be your leading hand. Yes, so remember when we set up at the start, we all put the hands that we right with in the air, didn't we? And then we put that same leg behind us, yeah? So set your fighting stance. So that arm is going to be the arm to throw the first punch. Excellent. Oh, there's some good techniques going on here, guys. Well done. So set your stance. So your 1-2 is 1. And then as that arm comes back, remember where it has to come back to protect your jaw, yeah? And then the other arm comes through. So try that again. So our 1-2 combination, which is our jab cross, we're going to go 1-2. Now when you're doing it, make sure you brace all the muscles in your belly really tight and keep your legs really steady, okay? So everybody, fighting stance. Show me your fighting stance. Are we ready for this fight? Of course we are. Okay, so 1-2 combination. Show me again. 1-2. Do it again. 1-2. And again. 1-2. Now keep it going with me. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Do we think we can go a little faster? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. How was that, everyone? Right, you have a little go on your own over there. You show me. Everybody ready? Fighting stance. Show me your fighting stance. We've got to be ready. And go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Where's your fists? 1, 2, 1, 2. Keep your chin down and keep your eyes up. 1, 2, 1, 2. Excellent. Right. I think we've got our 1-2 combination down, yeah? No? I was watching you. You were looking pretty good to me. So now we're going to change it into our 3-4 combination. And our 3-4 combination is our head hooks. So the elbow comes high, the arm comes round. Yeah? And then we bring it back the same way on the other side. So there's your 3, there's your 4. Where do your feet need to be when you're doing this? In our fighting stance, yeah? Excellent. Right, so everybody do it with my count, your 3 and your 4. 1, 2, 3, and go. 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. Good. Stop there for me a second. One thing that really helps when you're doing your hooks is lifting your heels off the ground and rotating your body a little bit so that you can bring more power into your punches, yeah? So take your feet apart, take your fighting stance. Fighting stance. We're going to go back heel up, front heel up, back heel up, front heel up, back and front. So it comes up and down, then up and down, up and down, up and down. down. Now we're going to add the punch. 3, 4. 3, 4. Make sure you set your fists back to your jaw. Keep your elbows tucked in every time. Do we think we can take that a little bit faster? Fighting stance, everybody, show me. Where's your fighting stance? Let's go. In 3, 2, 1, we go. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Let's go a little faster. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Well done. Who knows a really good song from a really famous film that we could do these boxing techniques to? Do we all know of at least one film? I think so. So I'm going to press play and we're going to do our 1-2 combination and our 3 and 4 combination all to the music. Give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Okay, while I press play, everybody, fighting stance, let's go. Oh, here it is. Okay, set wide. We mean business now, yeah? Bounce on the spot. Set your fighting stance. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Keep it coming. Now let's start to go a little faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
Rising up, back on the street. Did my time, took my chance.
Excellent. I'm loving these punches that are being thrown today, everyone. Keep it coming.
So many times, it happens too fast.
Now you may start to feel like your shoulders are starting to ache, but you know what? That's all good. That means you're working hard. Let's change to our 3 and 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. So elbow high. Back to your 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. I say keep your guards up, everybody. Let's take it a little faster. Here we go. 1, 2. 1, 2. Brace your belly tight. Keep your back heel up. Of the tiger. Good. Reset your stance, everyone. Fists up. Show me your best fighting stance. 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4. Come on, keep it coming. We don't quit, do we? No, because we are fighters. A little faster. 3, 4. 3, 4. Bring it round. Set your stance. Yes, well done. Shake it off. Okay. Whoa, check it out, everybody. I think Lomu is impressed. What do you reckon, Lomu? Big thumbs up for that one, yeah? Good. Okay. So now we've got our side shuffle and we've got our boxing combinations. So do you think we can put our brains to the test and put them both together? Yeah? Give me a thumbs up if you think you can do that. Give me a big thumbs up if you think we can do our side steps and our boxing combinations all in one. Really? Well, you're going to have to show me then, aren't you? Right, let's try again. Let's put some music on. Okay, everybody, fighting stance. Squeeze your elbows in, fists up to your face. Make sure we're protected, yeah? Nice and light in the legs. Let's start with our side step. 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Excellent. Look at you all moving around there. We're just gonna 3 more. Keep it coming. 1